Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P60 Pro, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. To get started, we're going to hold our power button, and once the boot options show up, simply want to select power off. Now once the phone turns off, hold power and volume up at the same time. When the HUAWEI logo shows up, you can let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. And as you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. Now in this mode, you will need to utilize volume up and down to navigate to the options, I think. That's interesting. Typically you'd be using volume buttons, but nothing seems to be responding. Yep, so I'm just gonna kind of tell you what you'd normally do, because it looks like the phone literally froze up in recovery mode. So you navigate using volume up and down respectively, and then you use power button to confirm whatever is selected. Now going into the options that we have access to, we have restart, which will reboot the device and take us back to Android. Clear data, which will consist of, I believe, wipe cache partition and just factory resetting the device. Then we have update mode and safe mode. And yeah, that's basically it. But unfortunately, I can't leave the mode, so I'll need to forcibly reboot the device. So I'm just gonna say thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.